Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. All you have to do, just go down, click here on my Learning down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click on your name here. When you click on your name, it's going to take you to your profile. So then you go above this sign, you click on it here, click in this sign. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down. So then you click here on account settings. When you click on account settings, it's going to take you to this list. Just switch into open video. So then you click here on visibility here and come to this list here. Then you come here to how can see members you follow. Just click on it. Then here can you select if you want to add only visible to me or anyone on LinkedIn. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,